In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Coinbase Support 2025. Full tutorial. Let's get started by opening your web browser and searching for Coinbase Help. You're looking for the official Help Center result. It should clearly show it's from Coinbase, and you can double check the address bar for a secure connection before you proceed. This helps you avoid phishing pages that imitate support. Once you're on the Help Center, scroll down the page until you see the Contact Us option and click it. This takes you to the area where Coinbase funnels requests to the right team. If you land on a page with common topics first, that's normal. Keep scrolling until you see the contact section. Next, you'll be asked to choose the product related to your concern. Select the option that best matches where your issue is happening. Picking the correct product helps route your request properly and speeds up the resolution. Whether your question is about your main account, trading, or a separate wallet product, from here, click Sign In for support. Signing in ensures Coinbase can securely view account signals and tailor the help options to you. It also enables chat or ticketing features that are only available to logged-in users. You'll then be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Coinbase account. Type it in carefully to avoid typos because you may receive a verification link or code at that address. After entering your email, click Continue. Follow the prompts on your screen. Depending on your security settings, you might need to confirm your email, approve a login, or complete two-factor authentication. Only complete these steps on the official site. Never share codes or recovery phrases with anyone. Once you're signed in, you can type your concern. Write a clear, concise description of what's happening, when it started, and what you've already tried. Include safe, relevant details like transaction IDs, dates, approximate amounts, and any error messages. Screenshots can help, but make sure to blur or omit sensitive information. Coinbase will never ask for your password or recovery phrase, so don't include those. After you submit your message, you may see suggested help articles or automated guidance first. Use those if they address your issue, and if not, continue through to connect with support or open a ticket. Keep an eye on your email or the support portal for responses and reply within the same thread so the history stays together. That's it. By following these steps, you'll reach Coinbase support safely and get your request in front of the right team.